Mother's Day brought sunny skies to most of South Africa, although in the northeast it was cloudy at first with some drizzle and fog patches in places, particularly along the escarpment. For the rest of South Africa, sunshine dominated and it was another fine, dry and cool day for many areas. Now on Monday, we're expecting fog to start off the morning once again over the far northeastern corner of the country. Otherwise, the sunshine continues for the rest of South Africa, warming temperatures for the Northern and Western Cape as well as for KwaZulu-Natal. Taking a look at KZN first, we're expecting 26 degrees as an afternoon high for both Durban and Richards Bay, 24 up in the north on the other hand for Newcastle and Vryheid. Further south, we're expecting sunny weather to persist for the Eastern Cape. Another cold start over the northern interior, Aliwal North at -1. A warm afternoon for the Karoo as well as much of the coastline. Temperatures in the mid to lower 20s. Sunny and warm weather expected across the Western Cape, 25 degrees for Oudtshoorn and Beaufort West. Another lovely day forecast over the southwestern corner of the country, Cape Town at 25 and Langebaan starts off with a cool 9 degrees. A hot afternoon expected along the west coast, Vredendal at 33 degrees, some fog in the morning for Alexander Bay and a milder afternoon at 24. Temperatures rising over the Northern Cape into the upper 20s for some areas, but cold in the south at first, Bloemfontein as well with a minimum temperature of 0 degrees, similar for Bethlehem, but a pleasant afternoon is also forecast. Milder temperatures persist over the northwest province, 23 degrees for Mahikeng and Klerksdorp, single digits to start off the morning across the province. And over Limpopo, we're expecting partly cloudy skies, morning fog along the escarpment, and Sanin gets up to 23 during the second half of the day. A cool afternoon for the Mpumalanga Highveld, sunny skies across the area, Ermelo and Secunda starting off the day at 5 degrees Celsius. And over Gauteng, another cool afternoon in the forecast, lots of sunshine expected, and Pretoria gets to 22. Light wind conditions are forecast for most of South Africa on Monday. Northeasterly winds, on the other hand, get up to 25 kilometers per hour for both Uppington and Springbok in the Northern Cape. Let's take a look ahead now to Tuesday, where conditions remain pleasant across the country. Warming temperatures, particularly over the eastern parts. Richards Bay on the KZN north coast gets to 28 degrees. And on Wednesday, a very weak cold front brings some evening rainfall to George and Port Elizabeth, and a few isolated thunderstorms are possible over the southern interior.
News that moves. eNCA.com